PVN. Today I'm going to teach you how to do an overhand throw. But let's start with what we already know. That's underhand tossing. So there's some things that are the same, things that we want to do the same as we do when we're tossing. So before you start to throw, the first thing you'll do, and you'll recognize that we need to put the toy in the hand that we write with. It's our favorite hand. Maybe we color with this hand, we eat our cereal with this hand. That's the hand that holds the toy. The other thing that's the same, and we already know, is that we're going to be stepping with our opposite foot. It's on the other side of our body. So the toy is on one side of the body, but I'm going to step with the foot that's on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an overhand throw. So I have my ball in the hand that I write with. I know I'm going to step with my opposite foot on the other side of my body, but here's what you don't know. When we toss, we face our target. And remember, a target is anything I'm aiming at. And today, I'm going to use this little elk that I drew on my whiteboard as my target. When I throw, this is different. I'm not going to face it with both of my shoulders pointing at it. I'm only going to point one shoulder at my target, and it's my other shoulder on the other side of my body, the opposite side. So my ball's on this side, so I'm going to point my other shoulder at the target. So next, I'm going to put my arms up like a scarecrow. And then I'm going to step with my other foot, or my opposite foot, like this. And now I'm getting ready to throw my ball at my target. And that's how you do an overhand throw.
Now, let's fill up our gas tanks with an activity.
Now let's use both skills that we've practiced so far this year to play a really fun game. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need something to throw. It could be a ball, it could be a stuffed animal, it could be rolled up socks, or even a paper ball. And then you're going to need a grocery bag or something to toss, something lightweight that you can use to toss with. So I'm going to put my ball in my writing hand, my favorite hand, and I'm going to put the bag or my tossing item in my other hand. So this game is called Ghostbusters. We're going to pretend that this bag is a ghost, and it does kind of look like a ghost floating around, which, by the way, are imaginary. So we're going to use the ball to bust the ghosts. So the goal is to toss it with your other hand and then use your overhand throw to try to knock the ghost down out of the air. Let's give it a